In 2015, Ford did something no truck brand had ever dared to do. They took America's best-selling truck and changed the one thing everyone said you should never touch: steel. Ford replaced it with aluminum. People laughed, critics panicked, loyal truck owners were furious. It'll dent, it'll rust, it'll never survive real work. But Ford wasn't chasing approval, they were chasing the future. This is the story of the boldest risk in truck history, the 13th generation Ford F-Series. By the early 2010s, the truck world was changing fast. Fuel prices were rising, emissions rules were tightening, and truck buyers wanted everything: more power, better mileage, more tech, and zero compromise. Ford faced a brutal truth: you can't keep adding strength, safety, and features without adding weight, and weight is the enemy of efficiency. So Ford engineers asked a dangerous question: what if we made the truck lighter instead of stronger? The answer shocked the industry. They borrowed a material from aircraft and military vehicles: high-strength, military-grade aluminum alloy. This wasn't a refresh. This wasn't an update. This was a gamble that could either redefine trucks or destroy Ford's crown jewel. The moment you saw the 2015 F-150, something felt different: cleaner lines, sharper edges, a modern, confident stance. But the real revolution wasn't what you saw. It was what you couldn't see. Ford replaced nearly the entire body with aluminum: doors, hood, bed, fenders. The result? Up to 700 pounds lighter than the previous generation. That's like removing 3 adult passengers permanently. And here's the twist: aluminum didn't make the truck weaker, it made it smarter. The frame stayed high-strength steel, the body resisted corrosion better than ever, and the lighter weight unlocked better performance, braking, and fuel efficiency. Ford didn't just redesign the truck, they re-engineered what tough really meant. With less weight to move, Ford changed how power worked. Gone was the idea that bigger engines were always better. Enter the EcoBoost era. The 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 surprised everyone. Small, efficient, but shockingly capable. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost, a torque monster that could outpull V8s while sipping fuel. Traditionalists still had options: the legendary 5.0-liter Coyote Phi-8, and later, the 3.0-liter Power Stroke diesel for long-haul efficiency. Lighter body plus turbo torque equals faster acceleration, better towing, and higher payload ratings. Ford didn't just match competitors, they forced them to play catch-up. Step inside the 13th Gen F-Series, and it's clear: this truck wasn't built only for job sites anymore. The cabin felt modern, intentional, comfortable. Touchscreens replaced cluttered dashboards. Sync infotainment brought navigation, voice control, and smartphone integration. Features like 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, trailer backup assist. Suddenly, towing a massive trailer didn't feel intimidating. It felt controlled. Ford understood something critical: most trucks spend more time on highways than construction sites. And the 13th Gen made everyday driving easier, quieter, and smarter, without sacrificing capability. The reaction was explosive. Truck forums erupted. Loyal buyers worried about dents, repairs, and resale value. But then, real-world testing happened. Construction crews abused them. Farmers worked them. Fleets ran them hard. And the trucks didn't fail. Insurance costs stabilized, repair networks adapted, and buyers realized this wasn't a fragile experiment, it was the new standard. Today, the 13th generation F-Series is remembered as the truck that changed everything. It proved that innovation doesn't weaken tradition, it protects it. Used examples remain highly desirable. Owners praise the MPG, comfort, and durability. And every modern F-150 that followed, it exists because this generation took the heat and survived. So, did the aluminum gamble pay off? Absolutely. The 13th generation F-Series didn't just beat competitors, it rewrote the rules of what a truck could be: lighter, smarter, more efficient, still unmistakably tough. This wasn't just evolution, it was courage on 4 wheels.